back with another hair video, man. And last year, I think it was, or 2 years ago, I showed you guys how to get the Freeform dreads, you feel me? And my last one, like, was doing some good numbers, so I thought, like, why not just bring back another one, you feel me? For 2021, for the summer, you know? So, all you're gonna need for this video is really just some locking gel, you feel me? Some Jamaican locking gel, or locking gel, as you can see, you feel me? And a brush, man. You're gonna need yourself a brush, man, you feel me? And I'm gonna show you guys how to start off your Freeform dreads for the summer, you feel me? So, boom. So, all you really gonna do is, you feel me? Just make sure that you got a little hair in your head, you feel me? Alright? So what you're gonna do is open the gel up, you feel me? It's really simple as hell, bro. So you just make it like a little, you don't really need that much, but just get a little bit, you feel me? Put it in your hand, palm, just, you know, boom, there you go. You just put it in your hair, just like this. And you're gonna go in like a circular motion, you feel me? Circular motion, all the way through. The same way, circular motion, you feel me? Just keep doing that, you feel me? You got a little nappy going on right there, you feel me? Just a little nappy, you feel me? Then what you're gonna do is grab your brush, with like a medium, but don't get a hard brush because just gonna put it on your hair and make your hair come out, you feel me? So what you're gonna do is the same way that you just apply that locking arm cream, just go ahead and just go the same way, you feel me? Throughout your whole head, just keep doing that, you feel me? Just keep doing that, man, for like a good minute or two, but don't do it for too long though, you feel me? Just keep on doing that right here. Just keep on doing that right here, man. You know? Boom, you feel me? You got your little, y'all see them? Got the little twist going on. Wash it down on that, you feel me? But like, boom, bro, you got them. What you wanna do is go back and forth, you feel me? And you just pull them out, you feel me? Just pull them out, separate them, you feel me? Boom, boom. And what you wanna do is go back with the brush you did, bro. For a second round, just get them like a little bit better, you feel me? Just separate them some more. Let's keep doing this shit right here. Kind of look a little wild right now, but shit. Just put them out. Put them out. You see it? You see it? You got it. Boom. Damn, boom, bro. You got your Freeform dreads right there and then, man. You feel me? Short, easy, simple. You don't really need to do all the extra. You feel me? You don't need to do all the extra work, bro. You feel me? Just got it. Boom, bro. Like, bro, how easy was that, bro? How easy was that, bro? You feel me? Easy, simple. Now you just do that for like every day. Like, just go ahead and use the brush and just go like in your hair and stuff, you feel me? But you do not need to apply this. You don't need to apply this every day, bro. You just need to apply this once a week, to be real with you. Just apply this once a week and you should be straight. Do not apply this every day because your hair gonna build up, you feel me? Your hair gonna build up, greasy all the time, and all the extra stuff. So do not apply this every day to your hair. It's not worth it. Don't do it. You feel me? Cause my last dreads, I had to cut them off because this thing, it was like it didn't do too well. because I apply this joint to my hair every day. So do not apply this every day. Just apply it once a week type. You feel me? And do not wash your hair. Like, you can get it wet, but do not wash it. Don't wash it. You feel me? Don't wash it until your hair is like starting to lock up. You feel me? But at the beginning stage, you do not wash your hair, bro. You feel me? Do not wash it. I don't even think you should even wet it, to be real with you, but hey, you might just want to like, I don't know, try it out, I don't know. But like, you shouldn't wash your hair the first month, you feel me? Because it's gonna take all your progress away. And like, you feel me? So after about a month, you feel me? Your joint should be locking up, bro. It should be locking up, you feel me? So yeah, man, this is how it's looking, bro. See this how it go. Side view, top view right here. Top view. Simple, you feel me? And if you guys like this video, man, make sure you give a thumbs up, you feel me? Comment, like, you feel me? All type of stuff, bro. And if you guys like some more of these videos, bro, make sure you drop a comment, alright? Alright, bro. And your boy is out. Peace.